Hey everyone! So today I'm filming a tutorial for you guys and kind of a review as well. Quite a few of you looked at my Snapchat when I was sent the Rumena new makeup collection. Look what's come in the post today. It's from Caleb's like, whoa too. It's from Rumena 101. And you wanted me to review it, so this is what I'm doing today. She sent me this big box of goodies. Inside is basically 10 lipstick shades. She has a hazelnut haze palette, and that's the eyeshadow palette, and a golden syrup highlighter set as well. This is the highlight. You guys see it? Oh, look at that. That's the eyeshadow as well. As you can see, I've used it before. It's a really good versatile eyeshadow kit because you've got your foils as well. There's 3 foil colors in it. You have your black as well, and then you got your nude tones as well for your everyday makeup. So I do appreciate this palette because I could use it as a daytime look, or you can change it up and you can use it as a nighttime look as well. But I'm going to be using these products and showing you guys lip swatches as well. This is the result of the beaten face, by the way. So this is the Rumena 101 liquid matte lipstick collection. She has 10 shades. I mean, this is quite a lot of shades for someone who's completely brand new. So hats off to you, Rumena. Okay, so I have no makeup on and I'm going to go ahead and beat this face. Yes. So to begin, I'm going to be using my serum to prep and moisturize my face. This is it for those who haven't picked it up yet. Go ahead and pick it up, okay? Oh, hold up. You might not be able to pick it up right now because it's sold out, but I will be restocking very soon. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. I just picked this up and I'm kind of unsure about the color because it might be a shade or two darker than my skin tone. I don't know if this is my skin tone, although I got skin matched. I still don't think this matches my skin very well, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. I was thinking give Born This Way Too Faced a try because it's supposed to be amazing for super dry skin, and my skin is super dry. Yes, Caleb?
I have to go to the toilet.
Okay, run to the toilet then, run! Currently I'm toilet training Caleb. It's going very well, but it's like, Caleb, do you want to go toilet? Caleb. Oh my goodness, the struggle of just waiting. And you finished yet? No. You finished yet? No. You finished yet? Now I'm thinking I found it way easier when he was using a nappy. Oh well. Did you clean yourself?
Yes.
What did you use to clean yourself?
Water.
Good boy.
And I clean all the toothpaste.
What did you clean? Your toti?
Yeah.
Good boy. Did you clean your kuna too?
Yes.
Good boy. This is the Rumena palette like I showed you guys. Using the Safina Khan brush. I feel like with the eyeshadow, it isn't much product coming out. I feel like with this color, you have to use quite a bit. Like I keep reapplying the nude. It isn't as pigmented as the other colors because I've used the other colors that are great. Can you guys see it isn't much different from my eyelid, but this is more pigmented now, see? I'm going to use a little bit of the brown. Is blending okay? There isn't any fallout as well. Let me try the golden with just...
Mama?
Jibuchi?
In your skin?
No, underneath my eye, baby. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows using this, which is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. Guys, if you guys don't know how to do eyebrows, you need this in your life. It has a spoolie at one side, and then it has the eyebrow pencil thing at one side. There's a cream based one, and it doesn't dry out. It's really good. I'm using a 3.5 color. You love doing your eyebrows, do you?
Yeah, I can do my eyebrows.
Maybe you should do my makeup. Oh, that'd be really good. You know, I'm going to do a little thing with Caleb. Caleb can do my makeup.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay.
I can help. I'm distracting myself.
Okay, look, you're a mess today, baby. I wouldn't check myself, and you don't have any trousers on as well.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm just doing. What are you doing?
Okay, so I've done my other eye. I do really like how pigmented the palette is. The one thing that I would say, it's difficult to blend, but that's about it. And I'm going to go ahead and use the golden serum. This one, just really give them a little mix, but these two are quite nice. Just a little over my cheekbone. And this sets the highlighter much better. I'll do this one cheek with my serum and then this one cheek without, and then you'll see the difference. Can you see the glow straight away? I've barely used any product and this is what it looks like. And then I'll do this side without anything. It's still shiny.
Mama, I put my trousers on.
Okay, but look at this side. So this side is with my serum. And this side is without. Let me put some serum on here now. Yeah, you can sit down 1 second, okay?
What you
And now I'll put it on again on the thing. It just completely intensifies the highlight. But the highlights are really nice. They're super pigmented. I love the tones as well on my skin. So let's go through the shades. The packaging is great as well. And at the bottom of the boxes they have the colors, so it's easier for you guys to find out what color is which.
Mama, you stole some more flowers.
Why are you baiting me out? Someone said that I could take her flowers.
No, some more. This one. Mama,
I'm sorry. These are the shades. I'm gonna swatch each and every one for you guys. This is the toffee one. I'm going to try one and see how it feels on my lips.
Is it on your lips?
Yeah, on my lips.
Oh, I love that.
The application is super smooth and it's dried in like seconds. And I really like this tone. This is the Bubblegum one. It's quite bright for me. I wouldn't wear this one. It's just way too bright for my face. This one's in Cappuccino. I think this is my fave color, by the way. I just love the nude. It just goes so well with my skin. I've never had a nude that I love, and because you guys know that I'm obsessed with nudes, and this is just so good for my skin tone, and I just love it. I love it. I just want to wear this one. Smoothie. Oh, this one is such a nice blush pink. I love it. It's like the perfect pink for me anyway. Okay, this one is in Mocha. This one is really, really vampy. I really like the tone of this on my skin. This is in Cookie. This is a nice kind of summer tone. I really like this tone as well. This one's in Macaroon. She's just done such a good job with the colors. They're just so flattering on your face. This one's in Candy Floss. It's a really nice bright pink. It's a fuchsia pink. I don't like really super pink tones in my own skin, but it's still a nice color. This one is Caramel. I do like orange and nudes, but I feel like this is a bit too orange for me, the caramel. I don't know, it's okay. And the final one is Grapefruit. I really like this tone. It's really deep. Let's put some setting spray. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. I've used one of my favorite lipsticks of the collection, which is the Cookie and the Cappuccino. Mix them together right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.